Hi everyone. I had come here before. It's the second time. I'm happy being here. So the theme of today, love, and with love, another word which I really like is freedom. And what the two poets previously spoke about, I really liked. And freedom and love are very important. So another part of love is self-love and ability to love yourself, which is when I feel I can love others wholeheartedly. So freedom, and because the freedom we give ourselves matters a lot. So the poem is called I Danced Today. So I danced today, danced in the auto ride back home. No one bothered, no one objected. I felt free. Where does this freedom come from? From where is this self-belief born? That I can dance to my own beats, sway my head, move my heads, and just be. It perhaps was born with taking that step and following my impulse and not calling myself impulsive. It's because I tell my heart, I followed you. I followed you, my dear heart. Let you take me where you wanted to go, without worrying that you would go astray. I let you out today and you didn't get lost, didn't get stuck in a loop, but came back to me supported, nurtured, and liberated. You know, my love, you who beat inside of me, I was scared that today you will not come back to me whole, as you went out today, taking me along with you. I was scared that tonight I might have to listen to you cry. But instead, you danced and I followed. You showed me that when I don't deter you, don't restrict you, you come back whole wherever you go, be it a quiet meadow or a tumultuous roller coaster ride. And I thank you. Thank you for reminding me that I can trust you to come back home. My heart then looked at me and said, yes, I came back. And do you know why? Because I trust you too. I trust you too, you who are my home, to hold me when I need and also give me that freedom to venture out without boundaries of space and time. So thank you for giving me that space to express and be me, for trusting me even when you were scared. So I will come back like today each time you let me out. For you trust me and I trust you, because trusting, my love, is never one-sided. Trusting is always a committed relationship, even with self. Thank you.